And if happiness were ever actually absent from your being, you wouldn't know what to long for.
What to feel unhappy about. So where this is going is when we lose our awareness of the content of our experiences. We said we think it's the experience's content that's creating the unhappiness, but it isn't. It is our desire to be our true nature. It's the desiring.
It's the longing.
The longing does not allow us to be happy, because we know that when we are our true nature, we are happy.
So it's the longing that brings us to our true nature every time, even in death. It is the longing. And it is beautiful, whether you look at it in nature, whether you look at it with your children, or whether you look at it, I have this little plant and it moves through its cycles. And to me, it's tremendous recognition to watch relative and absolute happiness continue to cycle as one sort of understandable, both visually as well as energetically on all levels, one beautiful example of this.